Let's go over the buttons on your direct drive sewing machine. First is the P button for programming different settings based on your sewing needs. Okay? Next is the S button, which allows you to select different stitch patterns or settings. Then we have the needle position button over here, which lets you decide whether the needle stops in the up or down position after every stitch, giving you better control and accuracy. So that there is the up position, and when I click on it again, it comes down. Up, down, up, down. Next is the speed control button, which helps you to adjust the sewing speed, allowing you to work at your own pace from slow, steady stitching to fast, efficient sewing. And that's it, up and down. And finally, the slow launch setting button, which gives you a gentle start when beginning a stitch. It helps to ease your sewing and avoid sudden bursts of speed. That's it over there. And that's the sign. Each button on the direct drive sewing machine is designed to give you full control and make your sewing process smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Bye.